When we join dentistry, we are going to deal with different subjects like our medical counterparts. One subject that is unique to us is the subject of dental materials. So what is the subject of dental materials? Amongst the different common dental problems like, ranging from bad set of teeth to absolutely no teeth in the mouth, we have different treatment options available to us. But all these treatment options depend on the various dental materials that is required at the different every stage of the treatment to make the dental treatment successful. So this is the foundation behind the successful dental treatment. So we need to understand and learn about them. So what kind of mindset, what kind of attitude we need to bring when we come inside the department. Say we can compare to that of chef. We all enjoy watching all these videos where the chef works so dedicatedly, he's trying to mix all that ingredients together, trying to bring in the right consistency. He's craving for excellence, trying to make it in a perfect, delicious looking dish. So that's why, we don't watch it just once, we tend to watch it again and again, right? So these videos are so viral in the social media. So likewise, in the dental materials lab, we need to understand the feel of a dental material. We need to manipulate it. We need to get it in the right consistency when we mix them together so that we can put it into use. So we need to be ready to, dirty our hands. So all the parents, you need to look out for a lot of dirty white coats that need to be cleaned. That's the integral part of this learning process. If we are not ready for this, what happens? It can make a difference between success and failure. Just like, a simple sugar syrup, if we make a mistake, jeera, it can make a difference between making a gulab jamun into a badusha, right? So likewise, it can make a difference between a successful dental treatment to a failure. Let's look at some epic clips over here. I can sense all of you laughing over there. Laughter, that is smile, can brighten up a person's face, right? So a smile, that is the power of a dentist. So I welcome you all to the field of dentistry and the subject of dental material.